Yo, what up YouTube fam? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt. And yo, I'm coming to you with another review. All right, what I got here, I got this bad, banging computer, man. Laptop, powerful as ever. I need something to help me be more mobile when it... Ooh, love the way them Honda RC51 sound, man. But yeah, needed something with some mobile computing power, man. You know, this is what I currently have here. I got the Surface 4, Surface Pro 4. Awesome computer, man, but it's just not enough when it comes to getting some tasks done that I need to get done, especially like handling the load of editing videos and things like that that's requiring the use of a video card to get things done. As you can see, they're over there having a ball over there, as usual. Can't get a whole lot done, so, you know, just got to get it in where you can. But, yo, Alienware, that's what it is, baby. Alienware, brought to you on behalf of Dell. Awesome computer. It's a 17-inch Alien FX RGB, killer wireless AC, and the list goes on. As I said, 17 inches. Model number is AWAR51M73. Excellent condition. This is an open box item. $2,600 laptop for 1,900 bucks. You said it, just because it was open. All right, so really came up with this. Got my bang for my buck. I'm gonna open it up. Let's open it up and see what's in here, guys. Let's open it up. All right, so as you can see, the packaging is very elegant as far as the computer being secured in here. Foam cushion everywhere. We have your accessories right here. As you can see, you got a massive power supply. Freaking massive, guys. All right, so you got your power supply. It comes with 2 power supplies. Crazy, right? Massive. We got 2 power supplies. This is crazy. Nothing else in there. Let's pull out the laptop and see what's really going on, guys. All right, so as you can see here, you got your 2 inputs for your power supply, your HDMI input, your DPI input, networking input, and whatever this is. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe for external memory or so. Maybe some fast transfer speed. I'm not sure. Let's see. All right. In 1996 is where it all began, guys. You got your Alienware card in here. You got your little booklet with your warranty information in here. As you can see, Dell support. Blase, blase. And then you have the laptop. This is a beast of a laptop, guys. I believe it's Arctic White. It has eye tracking. It can track your eyes for assistance with gaming, like first-person shooter games and things of that nature. It tracks your eyes so that it can kind of keep you in the game, like as far as like where you're, it kind of knows where you're going as you're doing it so that it can assist you at being a better player. Awesome AI, all right? Alienware, you know what I'm saying? Artificial intelligence. You get it? You feel me? Okay, so Intel Core i7 has a full number keypad over here, full keyboard over here. Let's see if it got some juice, guys. See if we can turn it on. Let's see. You got your SS ultra high speed USB connection. You got your USB-C connection right here. Microphone and headphone input. Guys, it feels so firm. I mean, the craftsmanship is definitely on point with this baby here. Like I said, it has the Core i7 9th generation Intel processor. It has the 2070 Max Q video card in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a Max Q or Max X, but it has that video card in here with 8 gigabytes of dedicated memory for the video card, 1 terabyte hard drive. What else we got going on with this thing? 16 gigabytes of RAM. You have your standard, you have an LED 1920 high definition display. It's not 4K. You have to step it up one more notch to the $3,000 laptops to get that 4K display. But you know, all you gotta do is hook it up to your TV or something like that and you're good to go with that. So not a whole lot to worry about in that arena. But yeah, this laptop is a beast. You got your cooling, got awesome cooling going on back here. And it's not your lightest laptop. I mean, it comes with its weight, but it's packing a whole lot of punch. Whole lot of punch in that laptop. So for the size of this laptop, you gotta expect, for the amount of power in this laptop, you gotta expect some size to go along with it. So that's to come with it, guys. So don't let that, don't sweat that, okay? All right, but yo, it's just a simple unboxing. We're not gonna go too in depth, but I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up though, just so you can see how this baby looks coming on and everything like that, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, the Alienware is in play. All right, guys, Alienware is in play. As you can see, it's booted up. We hit the little alien head right here. It's about to be lit. It's getting lit. All right. Guys, we're just really taking advantage of seeing the RGB lighting on the keyboard though. We're not gonna be sitting around waiting for this thing to do all kind of updates and setting up and all of that boring stuff. But I just wanted to come to you guys with a simple unboxing, let you see how this thing look when it's turned on, see how beautiful that backlit is on that keyboard there. Yeah, and just...
Hey there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
All right, guys. Cortana is shut up officially. This is your boy C-Spec Kurt. Just want to come to you, share this information with you, and let you know I'm bringing that content to you. I'm gonna try to keep it coming. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It's just a Alienware laptop. Just wanted to share that with you guys and let you see what's out there. So if you're into the gaming scene and everything like that, check out Dell's website. Go on Best Buy. See if they got some nice open box laptops out there. Get you one for a smoking hot deal. And again, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt. And following up to you with the Alienware laptop, as you can see right here. It's sitting right here chilling. I've been using it. Right now I'm currently running Adobe Premiere Pro on it, trying to edit this current video that we're actually talking about, this computer here. But as you can see, I mean, display is freaking awesome. Computer has just been wonders. My favorite feature of this computer is the fact that it automatically dims like within a few seconds of no one looking at it, and as soon as you look at it, it wakes up. Like it can tell when you look at the computer. It can tell when you look at the computer and everything, which is freaking awesome. So just figured I'd share that information with you just so that you can have a idea of some of that awesome AI. Like currently right now it looks like it's might be asleep. Let's see. don't know, maybe it's all the lighting in here right now where it's not tracking my eyes as well, but maybe it's with the camera in the way and all that good stuff. But yeah, you can see I currently got my HyperX headphones connected to it, but all is well. Computer is great. I got this video on full resolution, 4K video, and it's playing it flawlessly, no issues at all. I'm able to throw in my little transitions and everything, and it's not slowing it up a bit. So I'm very pleased with the laptop. Another awesome feature about this laptop I like is it has Alienware Connect, and I can like mimic my phone screen, like click to connect. Let's see. Alright, so it's connecting to my phone. It's mirroring my phone. I can literally do everything that's on my phone on my laptop. So like that's my contact page. I go to my notifications, call log, all that stuff. Why did I do that? Let's see.
Daddy, I have shorts outside.
Sharks outside?
No, I saw it outside.
Your shirt? Go get it.
I said I saw it out there and my short out there.
Go grab them.
I'm scared. Can you come out here with me?
See my videos, music,
Daddy, come out here with me.
documents, everything. Isaiah, go out there and get y'all shirts. So you can just pull everything up. Let's see, badass car, brother. It's a YouTube comment right there. Click on it. And see, currently, as you can see, that's my phone right there. So check it out.
Daddy, come outside with me to get us forward.
Hold on, boo. Hit that in a second. Reply to the comment on here.
It's taking so long.
You can see it's work popping up over here. The screen is in sleep mode on this side, but you can see everything going on one screen as the other. So that's one of the features I like about this right here. It's pretty cool. But enough of that. You get it. You can mirror your phone onto on your laptop.
On the top?
On the laptop.
On the laptop.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, awesome laptop. So many features that's yet to still be discovered. I mean, I'm just barely scratching the surface here. So if you want to get more information, check out a review, a more in-depth review of this laptop on YouTube. I'm sure some guys out there that goes further into depth. But anyway, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Just wanted to share that information with you. Thanks for checking out the channel. And check out all my other content. You know, I'm trying to keep content coming on, you know, cars, all kind of stuff. I like doing a lot of stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? Just keep checking me out. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. And this is your boy C-Spec. And I'm out of here. We out of here, Chance? Say bye.
Bye.